Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day from Instagram, even if you have 0 followers and don't want to show your face. Imagine waking up every morning to see an extra $100 in your account, earned entirely from Instagram. Even if you have 0 followers and don't want to show your face, you can still build a profitable Instagram presence in just a few simple steps. By choosing the right niche, creating engaging content, and monetizing effectively, you can start earning quickly. Many successful Instagram pages, like Millionaire Mentor and Quotes by Chrissy, follow this exact method, proving that faceless content can be highly profitable. The first step is choosing your niche, which will be the foundation of your Instagram success. Pick a topic you're passionate about, such as fitness, cooking, or tech reviews. Research trending topics in your niche using AI tools like ChatGPT to find content ideas with high engagement. Observing successful accounts will help you understand what works and what doesn't. Next, create engaging content using Instagram Reels, which can go viral even without followers. If your niche is fitness, you can create faceless reels showcasing 10-minute home workouts for busy professionals. Use ChatGPT to generate exercise ideas, then go to Canva and select stock videos of workouts like jumping jacks or squats. Add text overlays, trim the video to a few seconds per clip, and use trending music to boost engagement. Download your video and upload it to Instagram with optimized hashtags and captions. Once you start gaining traction, it's time to monetize. One method is Instagram Reels bonuses, where Instagram pays creators for high-performing videos. Another is affiliate marketing. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. If you promote a $20 workout program and 5 people purchase it daily through your link, you'll earn $100 per day. Sponsorships are another opportunity. Brands may pay you to showcase their products once your account grows, even with just 5,000 followers. You can also create and sell digital products, like an ebook on home workouts. If you price it at $20 and sell 5 copies per day, you'll hit your $100 goal. To scale your earnings, track your Instagram insights to see what content performs best, and create more of it. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and direct messages to build trust and boost conversions. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Instagram DMs can also help you network with potential customers and brands for sponsorship deals. By following these steps, you can turn Instagram into a reliable source of income without ever showing your face. Instead of just scrolling through social media, use it to create a business and earn money daily. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart marketing strategies.